guys, we are playing a great test room. This is a part 2 of test room. Make sure you see my previous video of test room. And anyways, guys, like to subscribe. We are playing right now test room of Visa right now. In my part 1, I was playing alone, but now in part 2, I'm playing with Far From White. I told you in previous video, I will tell this game to Far From Whitey and Game Student. So, hello Far From Whitey. How are you, sir? Yeah, that is, that's the thing. And I am in the 40 zone. Make sure you come. You know, guys, in this game, the bees are not important only. You can just do honey, okay? So if I don't want to claim the hive, I can do. If I don't want to claim the hive, it doesn't matter. But I will get the pollen. I have 200 million pollen right now. Oh my God, it's so cool. Well, listen, let's go. Go and sell it. Go and sell it. Listen, wait, wait. Yeah, I am. Okay, and follow me. I'll tell you. Um, in this game, in this game there is alag stuff. Yeah, you know, you know where to make honey. Yeah, yeah, guys. And I'm also making video. My video got 4 minutes, and we started the video right now. And follow me, man. I'll tell you from where to sell the money, from where to make the pollen. Come to me. Okay, so follow me. I'll show you. Yeah, come over here. Wait. Over here. You have to sell it over here, man. I have 1 billion, but it's, oh my god. Oh my god, there is not even mother bear. Yeah, yeah, except Kabhi bear. No one is here. Imagine if every bear would be here and they gave us this stuff and just they gave us insane amount of questions and they gave us 1 trillion each quest. It would be very OP. That's so. Is it? But that I also used. Yeah, I know. Transfer pick. You know, in this game there, yeah, there is not even on it over there. Okay. Ouch. Ouch. In this game, we just fall. Ouch. Get up. I'll not go through the cannon only. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, sir. You know, I am from when I'm. Wow. You know, guys, see, oh my god, I just fell around. Are you kidding me? Did you saw, guys, that there was polar bears. There was polar bear stuff of winters, but the polar bear is not there. That's so funny. And the same with brown bear, same with panda bear. I'm grinding 25 zone. Oh, let's go to the stuff field. Where did you saw that? Oh my god! There is nothing in the stuff field only. There is no field only. Come, see. Come right now, come right now, come right now. Whole 10 zone is empty. What? Yeah, only the stuff is there but not the field. I will collect the pawn. Come fast. It's so empty. No, you can, I guess. You could have. Like, should I try to go? I think so. Is this? Oh no, we are stuck in this zone. Yeah, I'm grinding over here. But our dream is also coming up now. We have so many bees, this full coconut thing, coconut armor, these all things. But you were saying this is the best game also. Yeah, yeah, this game is like that. Yeah, yeah, the invisible wishes will stay forever. And after 24 days, I think this game is getting updated. In this one, I think the sun bear is coming. When the winters are started, then the sun bear is coming. Go MG. The nightmare, really? Is there no commanders on what? What? No. Oh my god, are they scamming us? Oh yeah, and they're scamming us, I think so. Ouch, ouch. This winter we doesn't do damage. That is also fun. Wait, what? What the heck? How are you out of the map? Where? Okay, I'm in the Dandelion zone only. Come at the Dandelion shop, okay. Oh, there is the useless stuff. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming. They have pasted 100 of roads. That's why. I don't want to. Wow, I'm stuck over here. Uh, I'm stuck. Okay, I came. What? What the? These are all the 50 bees. I guess. Yeah, it is. You can climb up in this game, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video, guys. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and goodbye.